Jerry, dinner's ready. We're celebrating tonight. We found our next home to live in Bird Rock in La Jolla, California. We'll be moving next month or in 2 weeks. And we're celebrating with ultimate mac and cheese, leftover salad topped with tons of broccoli sprouts, so flora-phane protection, along with some special grapes and organic strawberries that I picked up to celebrate with tonight, organic Brussels sprouts that I cooked using the pressure cooking vegetables recipe, and chipotle salsa that I like to put on top of my mac and cheese to flavor it up a little more. We didn't put the sneaky greens in there tonight because we don't have to. We've got them all here and here. And we're celebrating with Gerolsteiner and flower water. Cheers, everybody. I can't wait to show you my new Protective Diet test kitchen. It's coming up April 6th. We'll be moving in, and I hope to have class the following Tuesday in my new kitchen. Love you guys. Take care. Best of health.